Hey everyone, this is Michael Trithart, and I have Phil and Adrian with the mortgage firm here, and we are going to be doing a session on March 26th, which of course was scheduled to be on site in Grapevine. We are now doing this all virtual. So video marketing for real estate, which is actually a very appropriate title to go all video and all Zoom this Thursday from 10 to 1. This is going to be a session that's going to cost $30 one-time fee. Attendees, if you attend live in the state of Texas, you are going to get 2 hours of TREC credit for the first 2 hours of the session. Phil, of course, is with the mortgage firm. Phil, tell us what you're seeing in the market from a real estate and mortgage point of view this week.
Thank you, Michael. We're excited about the class. We are seeing a little bit of everything. The interest rates have been very volatile. We're calling it a roller coaster. They're extraordinarily low long-term, in the low threes to mid threes right now. They went as high as 5%. But we wanted to say we're there for every realtor, every question. Just give us a call, send us a text. And more than anything, let's be a leader and let's go to this class. And so we can talk about how to proceed in the next 30 days.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that's the biggest thing is business is going to keep moving. There are companies that are out there that are still hiring, and there are people that are still moving and wanting to move. And so mortgages are happening. Real estate is still happening. It's just a market that has changed on a dime, and we've got to be ready for it. And video marketing for real estate is going to be one of those tools that definitely is going to help you to do that. So guys, we're going to have the registration link posted with this video. So all you got to do is click on it to register. But this information is going to be located on my website as well. I will see you guys virtually Thursday at 10 a.m. Thanks.
Thank you.